Welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate the new FIXEye feature called Sessions Watch. This feature allows monitoring a session's state changes in real time. For more information on this tool, visit the B2Bits website. The link to the site is in the video description below. This is the main window of the FIXEye application. I created some fix and quick fix sessions which are currently running. Each created session has a log file with a name based on the sender and target IDs of the session. You can find these log files in the log folder. Files with the in extension contain incoming fix session logs, and files with the out extension contain outgoing fix session logs. For example, the file called client1-executor_timestamp.in contains incoming logs for the client1 executor session. Files with the body extension are quick fix session logs containing both incoming and outgoing messages. Let's open the Sessions Watch window and create a new Sessions Watch instance. There are two ways you can do this. The first way is by opening the toolbar File menu and selecting Create Sessions Watch. The second way is by pressing this toolbar button. Now the Sessions Watch window is opened. You can see the Files section similar to the tab on the main FIXEye screen. I already attached session log files to the localhost instance using the Add Files button. I'm going to create a new Sessions Watch instance by pressing this button in the Watches section. Now, the Add Sessions Watch window is open. I'm going to specify the name of the Sessions Watch instance in the Watch Name field. Then, I need to choose the storage where log files are located from the options in the File Storage menu. Now that I've selected log storage, FIXEye displays a list of all available log files. You can select specific files whose corresponding session states you want to monitor by clicking these checkboxes. If you want to monitor all the corresponding sessions rather than an individual selection, you can click the Select All checkbox. I will select both the in and out log files for the Fix Client Fix Edge session, and one file with the body extension for the Quick Fix session. Then I need to specify parameters for session state monitoring in the Parameters section. In the check interval field, I'm going to enter 1000. So that FIXEye checks the selected log files for updates every 1000 milliseconds. In the heartbeat interval field, I'm going to enter 20, so that the heartbeat interval for defining session states is set to 20 seconds. If you want to receive email notifications when the state of the selected sessions is changed, an outgoing mail server must be specified in the Outgoing Mail Server field. Now I can save or cancel my Sessions Watch instance. Now the new Sessions Watch instance is created, and the Sessions Watch tab is displayed in the Sessions Watch FIXEye window. The new instance has also been added to the Watches tab. There you can see buttons to stop and start, the selected Sessions Watch instance. Let's get back to the new Sessions Watch tab. There you can see the table containing the current state of the selected sessions, their sender and target comp IDs, sender and target sub IDs, and also the time of the last status change. Sessions in their running state have a green color, indicating that the connection is established and the last message in the log file is received or sent less than 2 heartbeat intervals ago, and that this message is not a logout message. A disconnected session has a red color, meaning that the connection is broken and the last message in the log file is a logout message, or that the last message in the session log file is received or sent more than 2 heartbeat intervals ago. Let's stop the running session and check its state again. You can see that the state of this session has changed to disconnected. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was a helpful demo. If you have any questions or want more information, please contact our support or sales teams. Their email addresses will also be in the description below, and you can always check out our website, b2bits.com, where you can find links to documentation to each of our products and any more information that you might be curious about.